Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we will talk about brushes. First I open a page with these settings right here. Then we drag this image to the page we just created. We adjust its size. Now we open a new layer. Then we choose the brushes. I already explained to you how to download brushes from the internet. So I adjust the brush size. Then I click here until I get this dark color. Then I left the image layer above the brush layer. Then right click and I select Create Clip in Mask. And here we are. I adjust the image a little bit. You can see the effect, it looks great. Now we go for another image. I open a new page with the same settings. Then I import this image and I drag it to the design page like this, and I adjust its size. Now I will choose another brush with the same size. Then I create a new layer and I click until I get this dark color. Then I left the image layer above the brush layer. Then right click on the layer and I select Create Clip in Mask. Then I adjust the image like this. And you can see the beautiful effect we applied on the image. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.